What happens when the most luxurious SUV in the world meets one of the most outrageous tuning houses on the planet? You get a machine that looks less like a refined Rolls-Royce and more like something straight out of a chaotic GTA 5 mod garage. Welcome to the Mansory-tuned Rolls-Royce Cullinan Series 2, a bold, brash, and controversial transformation of an already extravagant vehicle. Let's start with the base. The Rolls-Royce Cullinan is a symbol of ultimate automotive luxury. It's big, smooth, silent, and supremely elegant. But that didn't stop Mansory from taking a sledgehammer, figuratively speaking, to its dignified appearance and slathering it with carbon fiber, aggressive body kits, and blinding custom elements that have left enthusiasts and purists divided. At first glance, you might not even recognize this as a Cullinan. Mansory has completely overhauled the exterior with a custom wide-body kit, starting at the front with a redesigned bumper, aggressive new air intakes, and a bold lower grille. Surprisingly, the one addition that seems to draw some appreciation is the LED daytime running lights integrated into the lower bumper, which add a futuristic touch. But then comes the avalanche of carbon. Mansory didn't hold back. Forged carbon fiber is everywhere. A splitter and hood made from the lightweight material aim to give this behemoth a performance feel, even if the Cullinan isn't exactly known for track days. The fender vents, wheel arches, and side skirts have all been reshaped and decorated with more forged carbon pieces that look more like props from a hypercar than a Rolls. Move to the rear and the modifications continue. A roof-mounted spoiler, tailgate lip, and massive central twin tailpipes housed within a sculpted diffuser give the rear end a tuner car aesthetic rather than one of stately grace. It's the kind of look you expect from a Fast and Furious movie, not the Queen's SUV of choice. Despite the bold and, let's face it, divisive exterior, the interior offers a small redemption arc. Swathed in a rich Bordeaux red leather, the cabin evokes a sense of vintage luxury, deep, plush, and regal. The color theme stretches across the seats, dash, door panels, and even the steering wheel. It's lavish, it's dramatic, and in some ways, it works. It's a nod to classic opulence, even if surrounded by questionable design choices elsewhere. However, not all interior details are as charming. Mansory's usual flair for illuminated branding makes an appearance, with glowing Mansory logos embedded in the seats and doors. Then there's the unique carbon fiber weave used on the dashboard and steering wheel, another element that may not appeal to Rolls-Royce loyalists. As for performance, while specifics on this particular build haven't been confirmed, Mansory's track record with Cullinan Series 2 upgrades suggests that under the hood lies a 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12, possibly tuned to pump out a massive 720 horsepower and 774 pound-feet of torque. That's a significant jump from the standard Cullinan's output and brings supercar-level power to this luxury tank. In the end, this Mansory Cullinan is more than just an SUV. It's a statement. A very loud, very polarizing statement. Is it a celebration of extreme personalization or a tragedy of excess that tarnishes a legendary nameplate? That's up for debate. One thing's for sure, this isn't your grandfather's Rolls-Royce. It's bold, brash, and unapologetically Mansory.